Hi everyone. I was chatting with ChatGPT the other day and I was told that it is not possible to convert QVD files into TDE using ETL software. Well, that's not actually true. So they need to update their model. So let me show how it can be done within a couple of minutes. I have already created a source and target directory. So we have QVD folder and we have TDE folder. So what we need to do now, we need to create the transformation. Let's call it QVD to TDE. Just deleting validator because we don't need it. Setting reader properties. So source type is QVD. Connection name QVD. And file name is cells. Now let's set up reader properties. Again, target type is Tableau TDE file. Connection name is TDE. Call it cells. And next step is to copy definitions from reader to writer. That saves a lot of time. And we also need to set some data types. Double. And map the fields, which can be easily done by using drag and drop. For very complex transformations or wide transformation, we have auto format function, which can be very helpful. Okay, we are now ready to load the data. Let's just press the green arrow. All done. More than 100,000 records per second. That's impressive. Okay, thank you for watching. QVD is a closed format and it was very time consuming for us to figure out how to work with QVD. Some apply to TDE, although the documentation is available to everyone, it is very confusing. And sometimes it actually does have errors. So if you have any problems with working with QVD or any Tableau files, let us know and we will do our best to help you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.